Unlocking opportunities. Why LinkedIn is essential for student success. Are you a student wondering how to boost your career prospects? Look no further. In this video, we will explore why LinkedIn is an essential tool for your success. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform where you can connect with professionals, showcase your achievements, and discover exciting career opportunities. Join us as we uncover the countless benefits of leveraging LinkedIn for student success. Welcome to our video titled, Unlocking Opportunities. Why LinkedIn is essential for student success. Are you a student keen on enhancing your career prospects? Have you considered utilizing LinkedIn to unlock a world full of possibilities? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will delve into the reasons why LinkedIn is an indispensable platform for all students aiming for success in their professional lives. Various shots of students studying, attending classes, and working on laptops. As the world becomes increasingly competitive, merely relying on your educational qualifications isn't sufficient to excel in your chosen field. Students need to go the extra mile to stand out from the crowd. This is where LinkedIn comes into play, allowing you to build a powerful network of professionals that can propel your career forward. A student browsing LinkedIn on a laptop. LinkedIn is not just a social media platform, it is a powerful tool designed specifically for professionals. It provides a unique space for individuals to showcase their skills, experiences, and achievements to a worldwide audience. Shots of various professionals working in different industries. By joining LinkedIn, you gain access to a global community of professionals across diverse industries. This helps you to network and connect with experts, mentors, and potential employers who can provide guidance and valuable insights. The connections you make on LinkedIn could open doors to countless opportunities that might have otherwise been inaccessible. A student actively networking and engaging with professionals on LinkedIn. Networking is a fundamental aspect of career success, and LinkedIn makes it exceptionally easy. With just a few clicks, you can connect with industry leaders, participate in relevant groups, and engage in meaningful conversations. Growing your network on LinkedIn allows you to learn from the best and stay updated with the latest trends in your desired field. A student creating a professional LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile acts as an online resume that showcases your skills, experiences, and achievements. It provides a platform to highlight your unique strengths and personal brand. Building a compelling profile will not only attract potential employers but also foster connections with fellow students and professionals who share similar interests. Shots of students attending career fairs and interviews. As you progress through your student journey, internships and job opportunities become vital stepping stones towards your dream career. LinkedIn has become a go-to platform for employers to find candidates. Many companies actively recruit through LinkedIn, and by possessing a strong profile, you significantly increase your chances of being discovered by potential employers. Shots of students receiving job offers and celebrating. LinkedIn can be the game changer you need to secure your dream job. Through LinkedIn, you can explore a multitude of job postings, internships, and volunteering opportunities that align with your career aspirations. It allows you to be proactive and take charge of your career by directly applying or getting in touch with hiring managers. The platform, with its dedicated job section, ensures that opportunities are never out of reach. So, what are you waiting for? Join the LinkedIn community today and unlock a world of opportunities for your student success. Remember, LinkedIn isn't just a platform to connect. It's a powerful tool to showcase your skills, network with professionals, and make your mark in the professional world. Subscribe to our channel for more career tips and advice.